In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding a Visa gift card to the Target app. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Target app and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Once you're logged in, follow these simple steps. Browse through the app and add any item to your cart. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon. On the checkout page, enter your delivery details and then click on the Add button next to the payment options. You'll be prompted to add a payment card. Click on Add Payment Card. Choose the credit or debit card option and click Continue. Enter the details of your Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can select the Other Gift Cards option, click Continue, and provide the necessary details for your Visa gift card. If for any reason the above steps don't work, you can try using the standard credit or debit card option. Follow the usual process for entering details as you would with any other banking card. Give it a try and see which method works best for you. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you!